To introduce a product into an image in Caimera's Fluid tool, we use the Apply Product feature. Here, the image on the left is our input image of a shirt, and the image on the right is the image generated. To add the product to the image, click on the Apply Product button under the Shoot button. The auto-masking feature will identify the product and automatically create a product mask. When the product mask loads, if it doesn't cover the whole garment, edit the mask using the brush tool. It's okay if the mask slightly covers the background, but don't make it too large or too precise. Check that your product is segmented correctly. When hovering over the product image, only the product should be visible. Parts of the background, model, or mannequin should not be visible when hovering over the product image. If this is incorrect, manually edit the mask by clicking the pen icon. Watch our video on easy product masking in Caimera for help. After verifying the product images, select a product image from the try-on gallery with a pose that matches the pose and framing of the generated image. For example, when working with a front view image, select a front view product image. If it's a side view, choose a side view input image. Once satisfied with the mask and product image, click Apply Product. All the Apply Product layers will appear here on the right of the image. To style another product in this image, make sure you add it as a new product and work with the layer that you've applied the first product to. Here, we're styling the shirt with a pair of shorts. Click on the Select Product button and use the drop-down to choose another product to style in the image. Go to the Apply Product tool again. Once the product mask loads, select the product image from the Input Image Gallery and click Apply Product. When the try-on results are ready, use the Compare button to see which try-on layer works best and check product accuracy. Upscale the final layer by clicking on the Upscale button to make the image high resolution. Your products are now accurately introduced into the generated image. Download your upscale layer. Simply click on the Download button, then select your preferred format and click Download again. Your file will then be downloaded.